Hello into my factory. Today I get work for repair. What I got over here, I have two clamps from the Woodchipper machine, and what we can see over here, a small damage, and I think it's from the blade. It's the last survived blade from last set, and somebody wasn't remember to pull down all bolts, and one of the blade fly out and make a damage. And here we can see something extraordinary, maybe. As you see, it's stuck around half a blade in the clamp, and it's awesome power, awesome force was over here. Yeah, but I know that too. The tractor what is powering the Woodchipper have a 240 horsepower engine, so I have no wonder about that. What's a plan how I can repair this? I think I will use stick welding over here, but before I will remove part of metal around here, because it will include cracks, and we don't need any damage over here. And here I would like to make new one like this, but we have no time to make new or so, and I will cut out two metal. You can see how it's bent. You see, I hope you can see in camera, and it should be removed, and then by stick welding from this side, and from this side by wire welding I just add the metal. So here employees was removed the bent out material for today can finish their work, something like that. So next I should to go to my another workshop and start to work. Thanks for the watching, good luck, and have a nice day.